Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we are delving into the details of SPY. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies around the globe today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, with an increase of 2.31%. This results in an average return of 1.16% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and stable upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential increase of approximately 3.71% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.31% to 11.48%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 31.03% over the next year, with potential returns between 27.48% and 41.73%. This corresponds to a price range between $676.49 and $752.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Evaluation of SPY ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The SPY ETF price gained 2.31% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, rising from $518.66 to $530.65. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.81%, reaching a low of $521.84 and a high of $531.29. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.44% over the last 2 weeks. Volume declined by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 62 million shares traded for approximately $32.80 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $565.15, and the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 6.10%, or $34.50, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent market dynamics surrounding the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, commonly known as SPY, reveal significant investor sentiment and economic indicators impacting stock performance. A noticeable concern among investors stems from lingering memories of past downturns, such as the Great Recession and the pandemic, resulting in heightened anxiety during market pullbacks. This reaction indicates a bearish outlook in the short term, as volatility is expected to persist, making investors jittery. On a slightly more optimistic note, SPY recently recorded its best performance over the span of 18 months, compared to the Invesco S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF since 2003, outperforming it by 15 percentage points. This could suggest strong underlying fundamentals for SPY, potentially attracting more investment in the long term, particularly if market conditions stabilize. However, the backdrop is troubling. with disappointing job numbers leading Goldman Sachs to raise recession probabilities significantly. A recent market wipeout amounting to $6.4 trillion hints at widespread corrections, and while individual stocks like Advanced Micro Devices showed resilience, overall market sentiment may continue to weigh on SPY's near-term prospects. In essence, while some indicators suggest potential for growth and recovery, the prevailing volatility and economic uncertainty could create headwinds for SPY in the coming weeks and months. Investors should consider these factors carefully as they assess their strategies. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen by 2.56%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Despite this rise in prices, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF warrants close observation. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these could affect short-term developments. The SPY ETF is currently generating sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $530.78 and $546.38. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 176 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $527.37. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a healthy volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $9.45, which is 1.81% between its high and low. Looking back over the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.18%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $532.90. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be crossed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $527.37. If this support level holds strong, it might present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $501.22, reflecting a decrease of 5.55%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a wise investment choice? The SPY ETF shows several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it might be more prudent to consider it as a hold or accumulate option while we monitor further developments. Based on minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, the 9th of August, we anticipate that SPY will open down by approximately $2.72, starting at a price of $527.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.